Hey everyone! Today let's talk about something super important but often overlooked, your digital footprint. What is it? Simply put, a digital footprint is the trail of data you leave behind whenever you use the internet. Every website you visit, every social media post you make, and every online purchase you complete adds to this footprint. Sounds harmless, right? Well, not quite. Your digital footprint can be a gold mine for cybercriminals. They can piece together your personal information and use it for identity theft or other malicious activities. So how do you protect yourself? First, think before you click. Always verify the legitimacy of websites and emails before sharing any personal info. Second, use strong, unique passwords for different accounts and consider enabling two-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of security. Also, be mindful of what you post on social media. Even seemingly harmless details can be used against you. Use privacy settings to control who can see your information. Lastly, regularly check your digital footprint. Google yourself and see what comes up. If you find anything suspicious, take action immediately. Remember, staying safe online isn't just about avoiding risky websites. It's about being aware of the data you share and who can access it. Thanks for watching and stay safe out there. If you found this useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on digital safety. Catch you in the next one.